Traffic signs. Read traffic signs. We know that traffic signs are to driving what instructions are to an IKEA cabinet. Only when we get in trouble do we actually look at traffic signs. Traffic signs convey information in three ways: the shape of the sign, the colors, and the words and symbols thereon. They're also divided into classifications: regulatory signs, which are speed signs, stop signs, yield signs, and whatnot. Those signs are the law. Regulatory is the root word for regulation, which means the law, and they must be obeyed, and you can be issued a traffic ticket for disobeying a regulatory sign. Cautionary signs are often diamond in shape with a yellow background and black writing and symbols thereon. Playground signs, school signs are pentagon, usually neon in color. Overhead lane assignment signs and lane usage signs, white background, black lettering, and black arrows. These also work in concert with road markings. Pay attention to these. We're going to turn the video off. You'll have a short quiz. You'll take that up with your instructor. Look at the classifications. Look at the three ways that traffic signs convey information: the shape, the colors, and the symbols and text written on the sign, and try and break them down into the classifications. In the next lesson, we're going to go into observation and give you some information about how to have better scanning patterns so that you can be a safer, smarter driver and maintain that minimum safe distance between your vehicle and other vehicles and road users on the roadway. We'll see you in the next lesson.